Good day to all of you. My name is Miss Shane Aguirre, or you can call me Teacher Shane. I am a licensed professional teacher and a Master of Arts in Education major in English graduate. I also have a certificate in English proficiency and teaching English as a foreign language, which helped me to become proficient in the language and shaped my teaching skills among different learners in all ages and nationalities. Brad Henry once said, "A good teacher inspires hope, ignites the imagination, and instills a love of learning." I hope to be that kind of teacher who will make my student a globally competitive individual and a holistic learner. So what are you waiting now? Book my classes and let's learn English together. Your language accuracy and fluency are my top priorities. Come and join me.